welcome to the video studio, where your next viral video begins. Before you write a single word of your script or generate any visuals, you need to know what your audience actually wants to watch. The built-in YouTube Video Explorer panel gives you a massive, unfair advantage. It reverse engineers the real ranking videos in YouTube. So let's dive in and see exactly how to find the most beatable topics right now. First, go ahead and open up the YouTube Video Explorer panel right inside the video studio. This is your all-in-one research hub. It pulls live data straight from YouTube, so you don't have to worry about any complicated API keys. The moment you expand this panel, you'll see exactly what's working in your niche right now, so you never have to guess what topic to cover next. It's the exact same powerful engine we use in our SEO research hub, just seamlessly integrated right here where you build your videos. Now, go ahead and click into the topic or keyword search bar. Type in your broad idea, something like best home workout equipment. The Explorer takes that seed topic and immediately looks at real, high-ranking YouTube videos. It shows you the actual landscape you're stepping into. This saves you hours of manual research. It keeps you from wasting time creating a video nobody's searching for. Instantly, you're gathering the competitive intelligence you need to outsmart the algorithm. Next, go ahead and hit the Research Videos button. This lets the engine analyze the current top performers for you. In an instant, the tool pulls in titles, channel names, view counts, video age, and duration, straight from the actual videos that are dominating the search results right now. It then calculates the median views and flags any outlier videos with a fire emoji. That shows you exactly which topics are punching far above a channel's normal weight. And right away, this tells you if a topic is highly competitive or if there's a massive gap that you can easily step in and fill. Take a close look at the competitive indicator the tool generates based on that live data. If it shows the niche is highly competitive, you might want to pivot slightly. But if it shows a fresh video idea, you know you have a winner on your hands. It even suggests fresh video ideas based on the gaps it finds in the current top results, handing you concepts that the big creators are completely overlooking. This means you can confidently greenlight a topic, knowing the data backs up your creative instinct. Once you've spotted a beatable opportunity, just click the Generate Titles button. The AI will craft 6 high CTR title options for you, and these are just random guesses. They're modeled after the proven structures of the high-ranking videos you just analyzed. You get variations that trigger curiosity, urgency, and value, all designed to make your thumbnail irresistible to click. Simply pick the one that best fits your angle, and you've instantly solved the hardest part of YouTube's success. Next, go ahead and click Generate Description and Tags. This lets the AI Video Optimizer build out your full video metadata for you. It automatically creates a ready-to-paste YouTube description, usually around 150 to 250 words. It's complete with a hook, and in this video bulleted list, a call to action, and a handy scaffold for your links and timestamps. Alongside that, it generates 20 highly relevant tags, targeted hashtags, and even the best time to post for your specific audience. This completely automates your SEO workflow, so your video is fully optimized for the algorithm the moment you upload it to page. Now, go ahead and click to view the thumbnail text ideas from the optimizer. You can have a great video, but if the thumbnail doesn't get the click, it simply won't succeed. So the tool gives you short, punchy text concepts. They're perfectly sized for your visual design. These ideas are designed to complement your generated titles, creating a powerful 1-2 punch that drives your click-through rate through the roof. Later on, you can take these exact phrases straight into the thumbnail studio. To finish your high CTR packaging, once you're happy with your titles, tags, and description, just click the copy button right next to your generated metadata. This grabs all your optimized text, so you can paste it directly into YouTube Studio when you upload your finished MP4. Having all this SEO-ready metadata prepared in advance, it really streamlines your whole publishing process down to just a few seconds. You'll never have to scramble for tags or write descriptions on the fly, ever again. Your research and metadata are all locked in, so you're ready to move into production right here in the video studio. You can choose AI, and that's how you use the YouTube Video Explorer to completely dominate your niche before you even hit record. You're leveraging real ranking data, outlier detection, and AI-generated metadata. So you can remove all the guesswork from your YouTube strategy. Once your video is rendered and ready to publish, you'll have everything you need to outrank the competition. At the end of the video, visit outranking.com to download the desktop software. If you already have a winning script, you don't need to start from scratch. Just choose the Paste My Own Script option right here in the video studio. We'll take your exact wording and split it into scenes by paragraph. Your original message is kept word for word, without ever being rewritten. Then, the app automatically adds a matching caption and a visual to each scene. It saves you hours of manual formatting while preserving your authentic voice. Now, let's use the built-in optimizer to make your video impossible to ignore. Just click the Generate Titles button. It'll instantly give you 6 highly clickable SEO-optimized titles based on the ranking data we explored earlier. And these aren't generic guesses. They're strategically crafted to outperform the competing videos that are currently dominating your niche. Simply pick the one that best fits your vision, or use them as creative fuel for your own variations. A great title needs an equally compelling thumbnail to really earn that click. Just click Thumbnail Text Ideas and we'll generate punchy, high CTR text overlays, perfectly paired with your chosen title. The AI looks at what's already working for top-ranking videos and suggests concise, attention-grabbing phrases. It's going to make your video pop, even in a crowded feed. From there, you can take these text ideas straight into your thumbnail design tool to finish off your viral packaging. Once you've got your titles, your tags, and that full, ready-to-paste description, just hit the copy button to grab everything you need for your upload. It really takes the guesswork out of your YouTube SEO strategy. You'll have a real advantage over creators who are just guessing what works. And when you're ready to put all this research into action and actually create your videos, just visit outranking.com to download the desktop software. Now, let's dive deeper into the dedicated SEO Research Hub. This is where that same YouTube Video Explorer engine lives as the Video Keywords tab. Think of it as your vidIQ-style YouTube hack. And the best part, it requires absolutely no YouTube API key to pull real ranking data. It scrapes actual, high-ranking YouTube videos to show you titles, channels, views, and video age, all in one clean dashboard. So, before you ever invest time in producing your own content, you'll have an immediate, data-backed understanding of the landscape. You'll notice these little fire icons next to certain videos in your Explorer list. The system automatically flags these as outlier videos, meaning their views are astronomically higher than the channel's usual expectations. So when you see a fire icon, you're looking at a proven viral concept, one that massively overperformed, that signals a hungry audience and a topic you can model. And studying these specific outliers, it takes the guesswork out of your content strategy. It points you directly toward what viewers actually want to click. Once you've found a topic you can win with, just run it through the built-in AI video optimizer right here in the Explorer. In seconds, it gives you 6 high CTR title variations. You'll get compelling opening hooks to keep viewers watching and perfectly optimized thumbnail text ideas. It even produces 20 targeted tags, strategic hashtags, and figures out the very best time to post your video. This one simple tool completely replaces expensive third-party SEO software. It gives your video the exact metadata it needs to surface right at the top of YouTube search results. Finally, take a look at the ready-to-paste YouTube description the Explorer generates for you. It doesn't just give you a generic 2-sentence summary. Instead, it writes a full description, somewhere between 150 and 250 words. It includes a hook, in this video bullets, a strong call to action, and a links and timestamp scaffold. All you do is click the copy button and paste this entire optimized package right into your YouTube upload window. It handles the heavy lifting of SEO formatting, so you can focus purely on creating great content. And at the end of the video, just add visit outranking.com to download the desktop software, and that's exactly how it works. So why not give it a try? Just download the app and start today.